Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to become a Python developer in just 30 days. So we are in the day 1 of the 30 days free programming course. Without wasting any time, let us get started. So for the first day, we are going to start from the scratch. We are going to start from the very beginning. We don't even have anything in our machine installed. So the first thing which we have to do is go to the browser and go to this URL https www.python.arch, or in simple, or if you are unsure, you can simply type download Python, and then you can simply go to the first URL which is appearing in the Google search, and then we are going to download the latest version of Python, and then we are going to save this one, and then we are going to run this one. So in the day 1 of the Python tutorial, we are just going to install Python and execute a simple program in our machine. So we have to press this, we have to add python.exe to this path, and then we are going to click install now. I have already installed Python on my machine. If you click install now, there won't be any additional windows. You will be prompted with an installation screen right away, and then the Python will be getting installed. Remember to add python.exe to the path for the Windows. Linux by default comes with Python 2 and Python 3, I think so, but if you are already a Linux user, I am quite sure it will be easier for you to install Python. There won't be any necessity for additional tutorials. So let me go there, and then once if the Python is installed successfully, we are going to create a simple Python program. For the first, for doing that, we are going to create a simple text file. We can simply right click and create a text document. The extension of this file is .txt. We have to change the extension to py, so it will be identified as Python, and then I am going to rename this file as day1 day1.py. I am going to give this confirmation. You can see in the type it is showing Python file. So we can now right click and we are prompted with a default editor provided by Python. For now we will be using the default editor. In the later session I will be teaching you how to use a different editor like PyCharm and Visual Studio Code. So let us open here. To type anything in this code, you cannot type anything, like type something, save, and if you are running this code, you can see some error will be getting thrown. So you have to properly write the code and then execute it in order for it to work. So if you run this code, you will see error will be coming. So to type something for your identification, we can use something called sharp or hashtag for comments, and I am going to type day1 simple program to print something. So if we run this program now, I am going to close this window. If you are running this program, you can see the program has completed without any errors, but there is no output. So to add your own comments to the program, we can use this hashtag symbol for our reference. So in this simple tutorial for the day 1, I am just going to I have taught you how to install Python, and I am going to teach you how to write program which gives some output to this program, like it will be printing some output to the screen. So we are going to write print hello world. This will be printing hello world to the output screen. So let us close this window and then let us run the program again. we can see the hello world program. The program is printing hello world to the output screen. So this is how you will be printing some data to the output screen. But in the advanced video sessions, I will be teaching you how to create this entire web page, and then how to create some your own software like this using PyQt and things like that. So it's just day one. Let us do this. You don't have to worry about anything. I am here for you. I will be teaching you everything you need to know about Python. I am a Python developer with more than 7 years of experience. I will be guaranteeing you that you will be a job ready after 30 days. So it's my guarantee. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment it, so that it will motivate me to upload videos sooner. Thank you very much.